Feed yourself, Carla. This is Section 2, Chapter 12, Reflection. The Jackson Era. I don't have any issues with this one. I did note that the content between all my courses is almost exactly the same. The advanced courses might have stuff added, but that is supplemental and it is noted as such. Like, all right, hey, this is not testable, but here's more on this subject. Whereas I don't generally add that to Section 2. So the content's the same, but and a lot of times I'll take the advanced stuff, I'll move it over some of the time, and then modify it to fit more of the skill level of the Section 2 kids. So a lot of it's pretty similar stuff. So the test for Chapter 12 is pretty similar to the advanced test, except when I looked at it and I said I didn't think the kids could handle the essay question that about plurality and the difference between plurality and majority. I didn't think they would do well on that, so I took that off. I generally, every once in a while, I'll put an essay question on the test for the advanced kids, but for the most part, I don't. Other than that, other than the basic, upgrades, they have the guided notes in Section 2. They have the additional support of having a chapter summary sort of guide before the tests. Helps them, review the whole chapter. Really, it's a good outline provided by the ConnectEd, the online companion resources. But everything seemed to go pretty well. It's a fun chapter. There's a lot of fun things with Andrew Jackson. I have a custom-built lesson that's almost all supplemental. I call it Fun Facts with Andrew Jackson because he was such a wild, eccentric guy. There's a lot that they go into. There's a lot they don't go into the textbook. Like he dueled and was a chronic gambler. He was quite a character with a lot of flaws. And so I have a cool virtual lesson where we go over all those things and how he married an adulteress because his wife wasn't legally divorced at the time when he married her, but they thought she was. And it's fun. And it's where there's a lot of fun stuff that happens with Andrew Jackson. So we try to go into that in the virtual lesson for both the Section 2 kids and the advanced kids. So it's a fun virtual lesson. It's a fun chapter despite some dry topics because Andrew Jackson is there to make it exciting. So the chapter went well. It's our first chapter after the break. And I like it. It's fun. It's good. All right. Other than that, it went well. Let's check that average grade on the test. See how the kids did. Check that speed grader. So it loads up. Average grade. Oh, 80. 80%. Maybe a little on the harder end. No essay. It's probably kids that didn't do it. It's not that. It's still kids that haven't turned it in yet. My chronic late submitters. That's why it's down. It'll probably go up. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of kids that haven't turned in yet. That's why. I hope that goes up. All right. That's it. Adios.